When choosing a gutter installer, it can be hard to know what to look for or what to ask. Here's a couple of questions we'll never get tired of answering. First, how long will my gutter system last? No homeowner wants to pay for a gutter system twice. Once when they need it, then a second time to have it done right. We get the job done right the first time. Our seamless aluminum gutters won't leak, rust, or crack like other cheaply made products on the market. We know every detail about our gutter systems down to the very screws we use. Second, are my gutters custom made? Unfortunately, many contractors will tell you this isn't the case. But at Midland Exteriors, we don't believe gutters are a one-size-fits-all solution. Every home is different, so every home needs its own system. This includes utilizing perfect fit solutions with gutter gecko protection and reputable manufacturers such as Cenox and Quality Edge. If you're looking for a seamless gutter system to protect your home in Council Grove, Kansas, look no further than Midland Exteriors. We're here to answer all your questions as promptly and completely as possible. Call us at 855-735-8255 for a free estimate.